taking, just don't be.
Hey y'all, it's Carlyn. Welcome to my channel. Y'all, we are about to do our wash and go. This is right after the hair mask. If you saw that video, if you didn't, make sure you check that out. But yes, this is the same day, just like a few hours after that. I've been saying I really want to use up some of the products that I have. Like, I'm going to be trying so many new products this year, but I want to just try to, just use up what I have and make a little space for what's to come out of all the new products that I'm probably going to be using. So we just using up what we working with. So I'm going to be trying two different combos. So the first one is Crazy Sexy Curl with Extreme Gel. And then the other one that I'm going to try is this Bonita Bubble Balm. I've never tried this before and I don't hear about too many people using it, but it says it's a soft hold cream to mousse styler, and I really like doing my hair with the mousses and gels, and since this says it's such a soft hold, it's gonna need something else that's strong hold with it. So I'm gonna put these two to the test and these two to the test. So let's just start off with Crazy Sexy Curl. I've used this one before and I like this one. I think I've used it. I'm pretty sure I've used it. I don't know. I've just been using so much stuff here lately that I can't even remember. And right now I'm just like so tired. So I'm sure my mind is a little tired too. But y'all, if you are interested, I use the My Black is Beautiful Tangle Slayer conditioning cream, the type 4 one, and then I also use some Kinky Curly, the Not Today. So if I didn't already say it, let's start off with Crazy Sexy Curl. And it's so hard to get this Crazy Sexy Curl. I have used this before because I remember it was hard to get it out. I can actually really smell the honey in this too. So it's like a strong smell of honey. And my nose isn't even that great. Like, I had a weak nose. I don't be smelling nothing all the time. So it's amazing that I smelled that. So I'm thinking it must be like a decent amount of real honey in this. And y'all know I just used honey in the hair mask that I just used. So my hair is about to be full of honey. So I've just been taking like 2 to 3 pumps on each section, and then I just put it in, like I do everything else, just a little rake and a smooth, and then just moving on. So one thing about this Crazy Sexy Curl mousse, it claims to define, hold, condition, detangle, and shine. I'm reading the bottle. So I really want to know if it can give me that hold. Like I said, I feel like I've used this before, but I've just been using so much new stuff lately that I can't even remember. I'm gonna be honest, but it does seem like it's giving a a good define right off the bat. As you can see, like no dimming brush or nothing. Like, look at all that definition already that's in it. And then of course just a little extra hold with the Extreme Gel, because I'm not taking no chances and I know this is gonna hold my hair. So I feel like the definition is taken pretty good, pretty quick. Like, I don't want to speak too soon because I've been doing that a lot lately. Like, my hair is looking so good when it's wet, and then when it dries, it's just like, won't. But it's looking good, if I do say so myself. I did use a dimming brush on both sides, so I got a good definition of curl at the end. But even on the parts that I didn't use the dimming brush on, like, it's like really super defined. So I'm hoping that it dries just as good, because that's where my disappointment has been coming in. Like, when my hair dries wet, is like I said, it's always looking so good, and then it dries and then I just get disappointed and let down. So yeah, I just don't want that to happen this time, because like stuff has not been working on my hair lately. It's like very few things, and I'm used to like a lot of stuff not working on my hair, but still, like, I feel like I've been getting like more not working than working. So y'all, I'm back. At this point my hair is about 90% dry, but I'm so sleepy, so I gotta end this. I want to get all this done today, so I'm gonna just give it to y'all with 90%. But I actually think this is a really good combo. As always, I always say like the curls are really defined. I mean, you can see the good definition in there. At least I think you can. I mean, I see good definition. Also great hold. I feel like this will last. Again, this was the Crazy Sexy Curl Mousse with the Wetline Gel. And yeah, I actually think this is a good combo. I would use it again and I do recommend it. So, let me know what y'all think though. I didn't use the dimming brush on the front curls because I wanted to, just see what they did on their own. And as you can see, the curls are pretty defined up here too on both sides. So yeah, good definition. And then as you know, I used the dimming brush on the end. So you can see it's really, really curly on the end. But even on the part like up here that I didn't use the dimming brush, you could see that it's good definition. And there's like that's the amount of frizz that I want. There's like pretty much almost no frizz, and that's like how I want it. So I feel like this combo like did a good job of taming the frizz on both sides. And it does say this is supposed to define and hold the mousse at least. And I know that this did good out on its own, but like I said, if it didn't, I know that gel is just gonna do everything that it needs to do because that gel has never let me down. And I don't think it's about to start now. At least I hope it's not about to start. But yeah, that's Crazy Sexy Curl with the Wetline Gel. Next, in like a couple of days or so, we're gonna be doing Bonita Bubble Balm. So y'all don't go nowhere. All right, y'all, so let's get into this wash and go for today. We are doing Bonita Bubble Balm today, and it is a cream to mousse styler. And this one says apply generously to wet hair and shake well before use. So of course we are using this with the extreme gel. We're gonna see which combo is the best, or if any of them are good. We about to find out. So let me shake it up. And since this does say apply to wet hair, my hair is a little wet, but I want to get it a little wetter. So I'm just going to go ahead and, do what I always do. Spray a lot of water on it. I can't even say a little. It's a lot of water. All right, y'all. So I'm going to take a couple of pumps of the Bonita Bubble Balm. And it's strange to me because it looks just like a cream. Like, it doesn't look like a foam at all. Like how the Chief Rocka is a gel to foam. I was expecting it to come out, like a foam. But probably, let's see. Is it like one of those? Yes, okay, it's turning into a foam. I was just like, is it going to be one of those that like as soon as you put it in your hair, it starts to foam up? And that's exactly what it's doing, which is cool. I feel like this is going to be really, really, really moisturizing. And I think I got a little bit too much. I'm going to go a little bit, get a little bit less next time because this is a lot. This is way too much. Like, it's just all over my clothes, like all over my shirt. But okay, so now we gotta go in with the gel because this one says it's a soft hold cream. And sometimes I like a little soft hold, but what I'm really trying to see is if this will be a good combo, especially if this is like really moisturizing. It'll be like that good medium of like good moisture, but also the hold with the gel, because this gel is gonna always give you some good hold. Okay, for this next session, like I said, I'm taking 2 pumps, like not as much as I had the first time. Like I said, that was way too much. If I need a little bit more, I'll just do that. But yeah, I think I need some more because that almost didn't even foam up at all in my hair. So maybe like 2 pumps per section, or maybe just smaller sections. But okay, just a little bit more. It's starting to foam up just how I want it. So and make sure I get this all good in the roots and all that. I don't want no dry spots. And then we just lock in with the gel now. So now we just have this one whole section complete, and it just feels like so much product. But I mean, my curls look good though. What do y'all think? Like, I think they're looking pretty good. They're not starting to form as fast as the last combo did, which is okay, but I still think the curls look good. Like, it's more like it's looking like a wave, but we'll see what happens. Y'all, I'm done, and the curls, they looking mighty juicy. Like, look at these curls, like so juicy, so defined, so moisturized. I feel like this really moisturizes the hair because my hair is feeling good and soft. Of course, you know, it is wet, so you know, all that, but still, it still feels really good. It looks really good. I mean, look at the curls. Like, I can't say that enough. Like, they just look so good. I went ahead and did my edges a little bit. And also, one thing about this cream to mousse, I feel like a little goes a long way. Like, I feel like all you probably need is about 2 to 2.5 pumps and you're good. Because, you know, when I went in with those first, I think I probably did like 4 pumps, which I shouldn't have did that anyway, but I think I went in with like 4 pumps and that was just like way too much. Like, it's too much in my hair, get all over my shirt, get all over my hand. So yeah, like 2 to 2.5 pumps should be good, like per section. And if you do more than that, you gonna have it just everywhere, and we don't want to waste, right? So yeah, that's all you need. So I'm so excited to see what this is gonna look like dry. Okay, so this actually might be the best combo, like the perfect combo. I mean, I like this even more than I liked the Crazy Sexy Curl from the other day, because like, this looks so good. Like, I didn't even expect this from this cream to foam, because it says that it's a soft hold cream, and I just, you know, just wasn't expecting it to look that good for some reason. I don't know. Even though I used the Wetline gel with it, I just didn't expect it to look this good. Now, was there a crunch? No, there was no crunch, which is surprising for me because I usually always have a crunch no matter what, but I did not have a crunch with these two. I was kind of expecting, you know, I usually have a crunch because I think it's more so because I use a lot of gels, and I was expecting to have a, you know, a crunch with this, but I just didn't, and I'm just like so pleased with the results. I'm gonna be using this combo all the time. Like, I'm so excited. Like, do y'all see how good it looks? Like, the definition is there, the volume is there, just everything is perfect. Like I said, I'm gonna be using this all summer. Now, I know I said that Aussie and Inner Sense was the best summer wash and go combo, but this is actually, to me, just looks just as good. I don't know, what do y'all think? I think the curls look good and defined, and just everything just looks so good, especially for this to not have a crunch too. I am kind of curious to see how it will work on its own. I don't know, because I don't hear too many people talking about this. So I just went on the Doux website and I was like, let me see if they have any other mousses, because I would, you know, just think that they do. Let me just try out all the mousses that they have, since I tend to really like mousses. And then I saw this one, even though it's just like not a true mousse, kinda. It's a cream to mousse, but still, I just wanted to try everything that said mousse on it, and I got this one, and yeah, I'm happy. I think that's enough for me gloating about it, but I really actually like the results. I am curious to see how long it's gonna last. One thing about me though, like here lately, wash and goes have not been lasting long, because I work out like 5 days a week, and when I work out, I sweat a lot, so they don't be lasting that long. But who knows if that could be a different case for this one. I don't know. But y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.